Alright, we're in Grand Turk today on the beach. It's a nice white sandy beach. There's the ships. We only get 2 ships today, I guess. They're all docked out there. We walked off the ship and walked onto the beach. Now if you walk all the way up here, see that dock has fence on it that says don't go any further. But if you walk all the way up here, it's mostly sand. That's why it's got that color. Mostly a sand beach. And Caribbean water and white sand make turquoise. Right? I got my shirt wet for you, so I hope you appreciate that. Anyway, I gotta get out. So, I'm just gonna walk along the beach here. You can enjoy it with us. It's hot and humid, of course, but the water's nice, not too hot. Super clear, obviously. This guy's enjoying it. Everybody's enjoying it. Even Janet. Not that she wasn't. This guy got his dry bag, so he keeps his skin dry for some reason. I got sweat dripping off my face. Of course, we swam for about 2 hours today. And we laid on the beach, and then I got up off my butt and made this video. So, hope you enjoy it. Now we say you can't get, too much turquoise water and white sand. White sand isn't pure white, but I'm going to call it white sand. It's made from crushed coral, right? That's our ship there, the one behind. That's the Caribbean Princess. And you can see little outcroppings in the water, the dark areas. Seaweed on coral or rocks, whatever. But for the most part, this beach is solid sand here. Down there, where everybody is, there's a lot of coral to walk on. It's smooth because it's been walked on so much, but it still can be painful. So these they rent. Where we're sitting, I think Princess provides it for free, but there's no shade. These, about $30 for an umbrella and 2 chairs. So from Grand Turk,
Janet
and Gareth.
and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.